Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's Halloween look, we have Miss Argentina from Beetlejuice. So just keep watching to see how I got this look. So I'm starting out by painting my face with a mixture of green and blue body paint. These paints are from MEHRON makeup. Just cover your whole entire face with that. And don't forget to cover your ears. Now I'm taking this clown white, it's just a cream makeup, and I'm putting that in all the highlight points, so under my eyes, on my nose, a little bit on my chin and my forehead. And I'm just blending that into the skin in those areas. Now I'm going to be contouring with my 35B palette. I'm just using the dark green shade in there. And I'm just contouring my cheeks with that, putting color into my face, on my cheekbones and my forehead, on my jawline, around my mouth area. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm using my Morphe 35B palette again, and I'm just taking a dark purple shade and packing that on the eyelid, and then I am blending that up into the crease area as well. I'm also taking that underneath the eye and putting some black eyeliner in my waterline. This one's from NYX. And I am darkening the under eye with some black eyeshadow. Then I'm taking a white matte eyeshadow and putting that on the lid. Then I'm going back and contouring my nose. I'm just adding a little bit of color, dark green. I fill in my eyebrows, nothing too fancy. She has like normal eyebrows, so I'm just throwing some on really quick. I do some winged out eyeliner. For my lips, I used CATSUIT liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. This was the red shade. For the body, I am painting on her sash. Is that what they're called? I think they're called sashes. So I'm just painting that on where I want it to be. And then also taking some red and laying down where her dress would be. And then I'm going to paint the rest of my body with that green and blue mixture. And then I'm contouring my collarbones with some dark green. And then I'm putting some green shadowing on the edges of the sash, so it looks like it's sitting on top of the skin. Same thing with the dress. And then with black body paint, I am writing Miss Argentina. Only Miss R fit, but that's okay. And then I outline the sash with black body paint. And also outline the dress as well. And then I paint my hands and a little bit of my arms green, and then I'm taking some scab blood from Graftobian and painting on some scars on my wrist, and then outlining it with black body paint. And that is it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoy the video and the look. Please give it a like and comment. If you do recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it and I can like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.